Alright, today we are going to replace a blower motor on a 2016 Honda Civic. It's a fairly simple procedure. What you want to do first, there's a plastic cover which is right here. So you want to remove that first. And then you're going to see three mounting screws, one here, and one back there. We're going to remove them. It's an 8mm socket or a Torx 25 socket. And here's the electrical connector. I started that actually, so you want to remove that. Try to get that out of the way. And start working on the screws here. Yeah, another one right up here. That's loose, and this one all the way back here, I'm going to loosen that. Two screws are out. I'm going to finish taking this one out, and then this should fall right down. So installation is going to be the reversal of the removal. I'm going to show you the new part. This is the new fan. Always match it up. Make sure they're identical. They look good. So now we're going to install the new one here. This part here, I'm going to line that up, right up in there. Just like that. Now we're going to get the screws started. So I'm going to put the one up in there. Give you a little bit of a close up here. This one here, here, and back there. Oops, that fell out. Get this one back in. Okay, once they're started and the blower motor is seated properly, I'm going to tighten everything. Okay, I'm going to go to this back one. Just take your time with it. Okay, that's tight. Okay, tight, secured. I'm going to take the electrical connector. You can hear that clip, and that's when you know it's in. Okay, so everything looks good, and that's it. So again, thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe. Okay, until next time, take care.